Hey everybody, it's Anime Ninja here, and I got a package today. So, let's get into it. I am pretty excited on what it is. So, let's just open it up. And it's my Full Metal Alchemist pocket watch. I've been waiting for it for so long. Yes. And here's the clip to it. Oh, yes. Awesome. I was expected to get this next week, but holy crap, it came very, very early. Oh, and it has the don't forget 3rd October 11. Nice. Oh, the clock. Nice. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I am so happy. I have the Full Metal Alchemist pocket watch. I am so happy. Yes. Alright. So, that's one less thing down left on my anime stuff that I ordered. So I just have two more stuff to get from when I ordered last year on the 24th. And that is my two Death the Kid skull rings. So yes, I finally got my Full Metal Alchemist pocket watch. I am so happy. I even love the shade of it too. It is so awesome. I am so happy. But anyway, thank you guys, and I will see all of you in the next video. Peace.